Ah, questa è. Quando vicini. Din is-sena l-MMSA kellha taffaċċja diversi sfidi, iżda l-ikbar waħda li ma antiċipajniex kienet il-pandemija li kkawżat il-coronavirus. Ħabba f'hekk kellhom isiru diversi tibdiliet. Xi wħud mill-avvenimenti tagħna ġew kanċellati u xi wħud oħra ħadu forma aktar diġitali. L-annual general meetings saru online u l-prijoritajiet tal-organizzazzjoni kellhom jinbidlu. Ifukajna b'mod immedjat fuq is-saħħa pubblika u dik tal-istudenti tagħna, kif ukoll fuq l-aspett akademiku biex l-edukazzjoni tagħna ma tiġix milquta b'mod negattiv. Issalvagwardjajna l-finanzi tal-assoċjazzjoni u għamilna biċ-ċerti jkun hemm kontinwità bejn il-bord kurrenti u l-bord il-ġdid. Għalkemm ma kienx it-tmiem tat-term li immaġinajt li jkollna, nistab vera kburi bix-xogħol siwi li sar matul is-sena mingħand il-bord tad-diretturi, il-bord eżekuttiv, il-koordinaturi u membri attivi. Nistab ukoll kburi kif affaċċajna s-sitwazzjoni preżenti. Nixtieq ngħid grazzi l-awtoritajiet tas-saħħa, il-frontliners kollha u l-istudenti kollha li qed jagħtu daqatit. F'isem il-Malta Medical Student Association, grazzi mill-qalb.
Darba l-pandemija tal-COVID-19 waslet Malta, l-MMSA immedjatament idur is-sapport tagħha lejn l-awtoritajiet tas-saħħa b'diversi modi.
Aktar minn 150 student bdew jagħtu l-għajnuna tagħhom fil-helpline fejn flimkien mat-tobba taw pariri u gwidaw in-nies fil-mistoqsijiet tagħhom. Madwar 40 student fir-raba' sena għażlu li jivvolontarjaw fid-Dipartiment tal-Emerġenza fejn kienu ta' għajnuna għat-tobba u l-infermiera fit-telefonati tal-112.
Numru ta' studenti huma l-voluti fl-aġġornament ta' dashboard intużata mill-istaff ta' Mater Dei. Bin-numru ta' testijiet li jkunu saru kuljum u min minnhom ġew pożittivi. L-aħħar mhux inqas, grupp studenti Għawġin taw l-għajnuna tagħhom b'mod volontarjat fi Shopping Center ta' Għawdex.
Barra minn hekk, numru kbir ta' studenti mit-tielet sena l fuq qed jaħdmu bħala parti mit-trainerships biex joffru s-servizzi tagħhom kull fejn hemm bżonn.
Is-saħħa pubblika minn dejjem kienet priorità għall-MMSA u għalhekk sitwazzjoni bħal din kien biss tagħna li nagħmlu minn kollox biex nuru s-sapport lejn l-awtoritajiet tas-saħħa.
COVID-19 kienet verament sajjeta fil-bnazzi għal ħajja studenteska u akademika tagħna. Imma aħna bħala rappreżentanti tal-istudenti bqajna pożittivi u progressivi sabiex immexxu u nimxu. Fil-fatt il-ħidma tagħna kienet maqsuma fi tlieta. L-ewwel nett aħna tajna preparament akademiku lill-istudenti tagħna dak li huma s-sintomi, is-sinjali u l-immaniġġar ta' COVID-19. Preparajna posters u booklet u dan qasamnihom mal-istudenti kollha tal-mediċina. It-tieni nett aħna wkoll nedejna sensiela ta' ħidma online fejn għamilna l-ewwel workshop online fejn kellna wkoll posters dwar is-saħħa mentali u l-istudju. U tielet nett aħna żammejna kuntatt mal-istudenti tagħna kemm lokali u anke barranin u wkoll żammejna kuntatt ma' sħabna li studenti ta' mediċina minn universitajiet differenti sabiex naqsmu l-prattiċi tagħna. Imma aktar minn hekk aħna żammejna il-komunikazzjoni mal-fakultà fejn aħna diskutejna d-diffikultajiet li qed insibu u fil-fatt aħna qegħdin insegwu lezzjonijiet u tutorials online u anke qegħdin nirċievu il-timetables tal-eżamijiet. Żgur il dan ma kienx żmien faċli. Madankollu l-MMSA dejjem kienet hemm biex tirrappreżenta l-istudent f'kull żmien. Hekk għamilna u hekk ħankomplu nagħmlu.
I would like to actually thank the medical students and the MMSA, the Medical Students Association, for giving me this opportunity for this short video, because I would like to thank all the students. Without any problems, they have accepted to help us in tackling this pandemic of COVID-19 and helping us in Malta and Gozo to try to alleviate the problems, minimize the contagion, and actually the strategy which is now working very well, and we are tackling it very well together. So basically, first of all, I want to thank the medical students who have been in pathology working directly at the Molecular Diagnostics Laboratory, where we are receiving swabs and we are detecting the cases of COVID-19. The students are accepting the samples at reception, they are registering them into the laboratory information system, and from there taking the swabs for processing into the laboratory. But not only that, but the medical students have also been helping, and they are still helping at the different hubs in Malta and Gozo, so that they are collecting the swabs themselves. They have been trained in donning and doffing, so they really know how to tackle the virus well, prevent from getting the infections. And of course, the swabs then are brought over to Mater Dei, and this is part of our strategy of trying to identify the infected cases in these islands, and then at public health level we are doing all the contact tracing throughout day and night so that we minimize the contagion in these islands. So thank you very much for that. But that is not enough. The medical students have also been helping in the laboratories. For example, I can say hematology. I have transferred a number of scientists to the molecular diagnostics lab because of the big workload. We know that there are over 1,500 swabs being processed every day using molecular techniques. And the medical students are helping us in the other laboratories to fill in the gaps from the scientists who have left in other specialist areas. So thank you for that. But not only in pathology, I know that the medical students have also offered to help in other clinical areas, and casualty and emergency is one of those areas, both in the COVID casualty and in the normal casualty, because we had two up to a couple of days ago. So keep up the good work. I'm sure it will not only give you an altruistic value to your life, but it is also helping you in your training as well. I augur you very well and wish you the best of luck, and thank you once again for helping out in this very abnormal and stressful pandemic situation. Thank you very much.
Stay safe.
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 Stay safe. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Mom and Dad keep telling me if I don't want to catch Dad's cold, I gotta wash my hands. Wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands before you sleep. Wash your hands after you go to the bathroom. Boy, pretty soon I'm gonna have to wash my hands before I wash my hands.